Hi and welcome. This is how I saved my first $50,000 in 2 years in my 20s. At age 22, I had just graduated with my engineering degree and I had no idea how to manage money. Additionally, I had no student loans. As I started my first job out of college, I was excited to be an adult and live on my own, but I did not understand the phrase pay yourself first. I was trapped living paycheck to paycheck. I felt like I was on a never ending hamster wheel of consuming, working, and barely making my credit card payments on time. My income at the time was about $3,500 per month. My rent was just over $1,500 per month. My bills were $150 per month. My groceries were $400 per month, and my leftover was just over $1,400 per month. I have no idea where my leftover money was going, and I had no idea how to track my expenses. After 90 days of employment, I became eligible for my 401k. I knew I should be contributing for my future retirement, but my future retirement was almost twice my age away, 43 years. I decided on a 5% contribution, which felt like a huge sacrifice. I started thinking about my finances and wanted to get out of living paycheck to paycheck, except I didn't know what questions to ask or how to do that. During this time, my boyfriend also moved in, and we started to split rent and groceries. Since he was unemployed, I tried to pay more. We were also dining out 3 to 4 times a week, which was getting really expensive, and I couldn't keep up. Then a few major things happened. My boyfriend, now husband, found a job, and we went full 50-50 on rent, groceries, and our combined bills. After I told him I couldn't afford our dining out habits, we started eating at home more often. These first financial conversations we had were the start to honest financial communication we have today. Next, I found out that I could split my paycheck. I sent 30% to a savings account at a new bank, and the remaining 70% of my current went to my current checking account. It forced me to pay myself first and save money to break out of the paycheck to paycheck cycle. I read The Millionaire I read The Millionaire Next Door and found blogs. Blogs and books started my financial education and influenced me to kickstart my savings and investing. Then I stumbled upon personal finance podcasts, and they changed my life forever. Shortly after, I received a 4% raise, a $1,500 bonus, and a $1,600 payout from a previous internship. I successfully learned how to zero base budget, and I felt the freedom that FU, yes, that F word, money provides. This period of time charted my course forward and changed my life for the better. I pushed myself to increase my retirement contributions. I went from 5% to 7% in January, then up to 9% in February, and finally up to 12% in March. Additionally, I was saving 30% of my take home pay and contributing $150 per month into my individual retirement account or IRA. These changes led me to start being able to save $1,700 per month. I was killing it. Then things got harder. My boyfriend lost his contract job with no warning and he was unemployed for 6 months. This time was really hard for us and we both struggled with depression. We got serious about grocery shopping and meal planning. Our groceries were $500 per month and eating out became an infrequent treat. I tried a clothing ban to save money and we kind of stopped seeing our friends who were spending lavishly at the time. It was a season of very frugal living. By the end of my first year of work and adult life after college, I had accumulated $22,000 in net worth. 12,000 was locked up in retirement accounts and 10,000 was in cash. I was incredibly proud. I went from living paycheck to paycheck to paying myself first and it was incredible. I started tracking my net worth exactly 1 year and 1 month after starting my job and I've been obsessed ever since. Then I received a surprise 5% cost of living raise. I hit a 3 month emergency fund shortly after turning 24. Once I achieved this, I increased my retirement contributions from 12% to 18%. I was still receiving a 3% match. Additionally, I fully funded my 2018 IRA. At the beginning of 2019, I received a $2,500 Christmas bonus and a 4% raise. This brought my pre tax salary to $61,000. I kept my traditional 401k at 18% contribution, but added a 3% Roth contribution. Over the first 2 years of my career, I learned to manage my money and set my finances on an amazing trajectory. Thanks to a booming stock market, my high retirement contributions, and not increasing my lifestyle, I was able to save and invest over $54,000. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe below. You can read the full blog post at fipolar.com, and you can find me on Instagram at fipolar_. Thanks for watching!